Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Mainly, we hang out together every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We unbox subscription boxes, share our love for Disney, review products, and do shopping hauls. If that sounds like something you want to be a part of, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave today. If you are a returning member of our community, welcome back. It is so great to see you again. In today's video, I have a Bath & Body Works haul, holiday haul, to be precise. That is why I kind of sung that, because it smells so good in my living room right now. I am so happy that these products finally came in. I have some holiday candles as well as some holiday bath sort of items. This is my second Bath & Body Works haul. I will leave the link in the description box down below to my last haul. And if you haven't seen that, feel free to check it out after you watch this video. The first two items that we are going to talk about and do a little smell test, they're both bath or body. I really don't know. I guess these would be Bath & Body Works products. Oh, it's been a long day. My mind is not fully there. However you would categorize these. So the first one, I know that I said I had holiday bath products. The first one is actually not a holiday bath product, but I purchased it anyway just because it sounded so nice and refreshing. It sounded like a scent that I would just want to have after the holidays are done. It is the Saltwater Breeze shower gel. So this has shea and vitamin E in it. So I'm not usually a shower gel type of person, unless it comes in a subscription box or something. To me, honestly, bar soap does the job beautifully, but this sounded like it was going to smell so good. So I thought, why not? Why not treat myself? By the way, I don't know if you're like me, but I find that lately the treat yourself mentality has been getting to the point that it's almost like I want to step back and be like, no, you better stop yourself. So anyway, let's give it a little smell test. This smells fresh. It smells really good, but not like really good in the fact that I'm going to enjoy using this, but not in the really good of what I wanted it to smell like. Well, let me explain. If you know me, you know I'm a big fan of Disney resorts, and specifically, I am a big fan of the Disney resort toiletries. Now, the ones at Walt Disney World are from the H2O brand. I know that you can purchase those toiletries on the Shop Disney website, and I'm just like, no, I don't really want to purchase it. So I do my very best to try to find products that I think are going to smell like them. And most of the Disney resort toiletries smell like a fresh saltwater, beachy sort of vibe. Like that's the sort of smell that they have to them. And so I was hoping that Saltwater Breeze would be that kind of common ground. Smells great, will enjoy it, but unfortunately I did not find a dupe for that scent. The next body, bath, whatever product that I got is definitely a holiday product, and I have been getting this exact product for years and years and years. It is one of my favorite scents, and it is Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple. This is the first year though that I think this is the first year that it looks like this. So they usually have the Winter Candy Apple in the whole line, and some years I get the whole line, but I thought that might be a little overkill this year. So instead, I just got the body cream. Now, the body cream is actually my favorite formula. Even before this pandemic, I severely overwash my hands. And that, of course, can lead to dried, cracked, really painful skin. And I have found that the body cream formula from Bath & Body Works is one of those formulas that I can use, and it really helps my skin stay nice and smooth. I already know what this is going to smell like, but I just want to smell it for the first time this season. I love the Winter Candy Apple scent so much. Don't worry. You're gonna see it in a few more minutes, but it's so refreshing and crisp and not too sweet, like a little bit like, that's candied, but not like overly like sponge sugar sweet or anything like that. So let me tell you what these fragrance notes are. They are candy red apple, winter rose petals, candy orange, maple leaf, fresh cinnamon. To be honest, what I get, now of course we all have different noses, we have different things that our noses pick up on when we smell things, but from Winter Candy Apple, especially in the lotion, what I pick up on is the apple. I'm not a fan of rose scents, even though this does have, that it has winter rose petals in it. I don't really smell the roses. It's mostly like a really strong appley smell, and it smells delicious. Let me put a little on my hands. Smells so good. yay, so excited. So I have 4 candles to review. 2 are the same, 2 are for me, 2 are for my mom. We decided to partake in the holiday candles. We really have enjoyed, if you did watch my last video, it was smelling and reviewing an order of fall candles that my mom and I had placed. Follow up, we have been loving those candles. And here are our holiday candles. We both got a winter candy apple. And the candle itself is red. So it has the exact same notes that I just read. Actually, no, it doesn't. Ooh, all right, so these notes are candied apples, crisp pears, and oranges. So let's see, I'm going to do like this so that my hand scent, my hand lotion scent doesn't go through. Okay, so just an FYI, this is the first year that I've got the winter candy apple actual candle. This smells completely different than the hand lotion, but it smells good. It's not a sweet scent at all. It just more smells like fresh apples. I think that will be lovely. The next candle is one of my mom's choices, and it is Frosted Cranberry. She absolutely loves this scent. I'll show you what it looks like. This is beautifully decorated, but understated at the same time. It is a red candle as well. This just smells so fresh. I mean, it definitely has the scent throw of cranberries, but once again, not overly sweet. Let me read those fragrance notes for you. So iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, and tonka beans. All right, so the other one that she picked was winter candy apple. I just opened it, looked at it just to make sure. Last time we both got a leaves and they came in 2 completely different packages. They looked completely different. This is exactly identical, so we will just move along. And the last one is a scent that I picked. I'd never actually smelled this scent before, but it just sounded so great on the website. It is Winter Clove. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous canister. Especially if you are not a Christmas person or you do not like the Christmas colors. This is a beautiful winter decoration. This is strong. This is as strong as all of the other candles smelled fresh, but this smells great. This smells like straight up like clove buds were just stuck up my nostrils. But I love the smell of clove. It calms me down. Clove is one of those smells that really, really calms me down. So I kind of just want to go and buy 100 of these and just burn them constantly throughout the rest of the school year. Smells delicious. It kind of also, the more I'm smelling it, I think because clove is in a lot of holiday baking, it smells like holiday baking as well. All right, so let me read those fragrance notes for you. Okay, this is ironic because clove is not one of these scents. Fresh ground cinnamon, sugared apple, rich vanilla bean. I'm sorry, Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna have to call you made a mistake on those fragrance notes because this smells like straight up clove. It smells amazing. This is the one that I'm going to burn as soon as I am done filming this video. So that is it for today's Bath & Body Works holiday haul. Let us know in the comments down below, do you like the Bath & Body Works holiday scents? Are you one of those people who has to rush and get your favorite scents? Or are you just like, nah, I'm good. I'll just stick to the regular everyday scents. Let us know down below. I would love to hear from you. So thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell on the way out. It would help me out tremendously and I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.